Today I am going to be opening up the January vintage craft box from CoraCreaCrafts, so stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm Tracy and this is A Girl with Plans. I want to thank you all for joining me today, and I'm going to do an unboxing video of my latest CoraCreaCrafts subscription box. This is subscription box 2 of 3. I signed up for a 3-month subscription membership because you got like a little bit of a discount the longer you sign up for, and I had already done a sneak peek. They're very good about giving you the box themes for, I believe, 2 to 3 months out, which is really good when you're trying to decide whether or not you just want to do one box or whether or not you want to sign up for multiple boxes. The theme of this box is Gothic. It is currently sold out, but I did check the website and it says something about pre-orders were available. So if you see anything that you like, then you may want to do that option. I've never pre-ordered anything, so I'm not 100% sure about the process. But if you like this box, that might be something that you want to consider. I will say the February one is like an Alice in Wonderland theme. Super excited about that, but I think I'm only going to do the 3 boxes because right now I have an abundance of stuff, so I'm gonna probably put a pause on the subscription or just cancel the subscription. I don't know, it might just be a temporary pause and then re-sign up at some point in the future because I really do like the items. But I'm gonna have to flip the box over and then open it, but my address is on the other side, so you're gonna see like a quick glitch. So you can see everything's wrapped in tissue paper. They have this journal. They also have a digital journal club, which is really, really cool. It's only $5 for the month, and I believe you can buy like one at a time too. So those are obviously printable versions, but you get a lot of decent stuff in there for that price. I've gotten 1 or 2, so definitely check that out if you have the capability of printing. We're going to take a quick look and then I'm going to unwrap everything and we'll show everything in detail. But here's a quick look at the box and what it all contains. All right, here we go. So this is a quick look at everything that is in the box. CoraCreaCrafts. It is more of like a junk journaling type thing, but you can use it for anything. A lot of the stuff you can use in planners. You don't have to necessarily junk journal for it, but that is kind of the idea. So we see here we have some papers. We have some stickers. Here's our stamps. That's one reason why I really do like the subscription box, is there's not too many that contain silicone stamps. So that's the stamps. And then I don't know what you call these. I don't know. These might be stickers. I don't know. Let's see. Here we go. Let's see what it's called. Transparent Gothic frames. I still don't know. We'll go ahead and take a look at this really quick. I don't know what this is. I guess this is something just extra in the box. It's not actually listed in the box, but it's like a little, like this little lace vintagey thing. So you can definitely use this for like your junk journaling and things like that. So that's really cool. That's not in there. And then you have your washi and your PET tape. All right, so let's start here first, means we can pretty much see all of this. Now again, this box, I believe it's $37 a box, but like again, if you subscribe for like a longer terms, it is a little bit cheaper. And I think my discount code may still work. That is plans with a Z 15, and that'll save you 15% off your very first subscription, as well if you just wanted to purchase anything from the website. So this is just a clear transparent frame, so you would have to like tape it down, glue it down, because it doesn't look like it's stickers. I'm still new to like the junk journaling world, and I really don't junk journal, so I just wanted to make sure these weren't stickers. But yeah, these are kind of cool though. I don't know how I would use them. Wait a minute, what's this? Okay, so they do have a film on it. So I do have a film on it to protect it. So I'm still trying to figure things out how to use it. But if you're curious, I know that she does share like a lot of reels and stuff on her Instagram page and things like that that can kind of help out. All right, maybe I'll get a little fancy and I can show you guys how I'm going to use them, which is probably going to be the wrong way, but you know, that could be fun too. All right, so here are some of the stickers. So this is like a PET tape type of material. So this is pretty much identical to the PET tape. So you can see this is all Gothic. I love some good Gothic vibes. I just think they're really, really pretty, especially if you want to do like a theme, because it's really easy to do a Gothic theme because there's so much out there. And then this is more of like your Victorian. I mean, it's Gothic because of the statues, but I'm going to call it Victorian instead of Gothic. All right. And then we'll take a look at this. Take a look at this because I'm using the back of this paper. So usually what's on here shows you what's going to be actually as the stamp. These are really, really pretty. I see, that's the reason why I just, you know, I say after 3 months I might take a break, but the stamps are just amazing. I think these retail for like 10 or 12 bucks. So, you know, that alone is like a third of the cost of the box. So yeah, these are really, really cool. Like, think about all the cool things you could do with these. You can like use these as like a little box. Really, really cool. So there we go with the stamp. We'll take a look at the paper. These are really pretty. This is very similar to the Archer and Olive Halloween journal that we got. Got me thinking. I have come to really love papers like this. I just think it's really, really fun to use in my bullet journal. All right, let's start with the washi. So you can see it has like the CoraCreaCrafts on it. I've already punched a hole in it, but then I was like, let me show you how pretty the packaging is. All right. So this is a really, really pretty washi. I don't have that much black washi and definitely don't have that much black and silver. There we go. Very, very pretty. That is really pretty. This is something like washi, you know, is a lot of times used as like an accent. This could definitely be like a focal point though. Really pretty, and it's a decent size on the roll too. So a decent amount on the roll. Loving that. And then of course my favorite, I love PET tape. Look, you got that there. And then of course the CoraCreaCrafts. So yeah, I mentioned I signed up for the subscription box on Black Friday, and the reason why I signed up for it was specifically because January was listed as Gothic and February was listed as like an Alice in Wonderland theme, and then that's when I decided to sign up for it. So, you know, if this is something that interests you, like I said, they usually have the theme listed for at least 1 or 2 months, like at least 2 months out, so you can kind of get an idea of if something is upcoming, whether or not it's something that interests you. All right, y'all. My little piece of, this is so pretty. And you can do Gothic year round. It's not like an October thing. Like, Gothic is definitely, it's definitely a vibe. And I'm here for it. I was tempted, like, I was already thinking about reading journal 2026. And I'm like, oh, do I want to do, okay, let me see before I start talking. Okay, so this is where it starts over again. So this is all of it. I'm going to pull it back through just so you can see how long it is again. How many different stickers you get. But, you know, it's still too long away. I'm like, I could do the Gothic vibes. I could do the fairy tale vibes. I could do Gothic fairy tale. That would be a little bit more of a challenge, like dark fairy tale type thing. This is so pretty. Now, sometimes I think there may be like extras from the subscription boxes. Like I said, right now everything's sold out, but sometime in the future you might be able to look and there might be some extras on the website from subscription boxes, but that could vary. Like I said, this is a very, you can tell this is a really nice box, and a lot of people do like the Gothic theme, which is why it is already sold out. But like I said, it's a pre-order, so you might be able to pre-order it. So there we go. So we got the PET tape, which might be my favorite. You got the washi tape, which is also one of my favorites. I really like this paper pack. I am pretty sure I'm going to use all of this paper. And I was sitting there thinking about these frames. I don't know if you guys caught when I actually used the December box to do my reading journal intro page, I did a window. I cut out like a little window and had the page beside it. So I guess you could technically do that. Like, cut out the window, tape this to your page so you kind of see the page behind it. That would be really cool. So you have that. I mean, the possibilities are endless, but that's, you know, as someone who hasn't used this before, that's what I came up with. And then of course these stickers are everything. Like I said, this is more of like washi style stickers. I showed you guys when I did the last unboxing how this looks on paper. It pretty much, the frosted look disappears. It kind of melts into the paper, so it does give more of a transparent vibe, but definitely more of a matte. This is matte too, but this is more of your PET tape. And then we have your your stamp set, which is awesome. And then you have this for your drunk journaling, scrapbooking, whatever you want. So really, really cool. Really happy with this one. I really liked the December one, but I really like this. Like, I know I'm going to use everything that came in this box, and I might not even use it all together. It will probably get used like intermittently with other things. But yeah, there we go. So that is the January CoraCreaCrafts vintage craft subscription box. Yeah, I'm gonna have one more of these boxings coming up in February, so definitely stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video, please press that like button. If you have yet to subscribe, I hope you would also consider hitting that subscribe button as well. That is all I have for now. I hope you have a good rest of your day, evening, or night. Until next time, bye.